Abusuya, me want a video bi enamwa Naa Torshie enamwa kire se oye eye campaign edema eye honorable Canadian pompo ekwo Japan. Na the campaign ni mo say Mamprusi ni kusasi fo ntokwa a ekoso amne okasei otumfo osai tutu nyame kese His Royal Majesty etimi enam so ama asumdwe eba no mama isa namwa opese osanso eso jagusa eye ntokwa nemu. Na this man when masa kan say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Mamprusi ni na kusasi fo ni Mamprusi fo gasu ntokwa na ono no nyanse mo Mamprusi fo kusasi fo 1.3 million of the population enunti so to about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia automatically no will lose 1.3 million of your votes. You see, these are the people that almost causing a tribal conflict and war in a country. Because nyansene biano emfa a conflict a cause between two tribes emfa nye a campaign because you are trying to divide the people. And Naa Torshie me person me catch wo say unim nyansa nka bo se wagimi say wo de eye tribal conflict a cause between two tribes no eye politics. When the catch will say from time immemorial NPP winning in the Kusasi areas, especially in the upper west. Kusati for no do also one no. The NPP winning was it's not their stronghold. Uko Kusasi areas, especially the upper west, Bcoz to be precise. And those areas, NPP has not won more than 2 or 3 times in those areas. It is NDC stronghold. Until when you find your campaign, na ebia na wa dream na how. It was also show wa dream, but young go tie nsem pot na to tidi to dwane wie. Send ya be ya me kan asem na obeti asem na me kan ase. Young go tie mbra.
Mokwa sorry e den no mo kan. Me women fellowship for ka kire me say na would you be back 10 times? Yento man. And so what was Kusasi ne Mamprusi ne Santokwan Tokwan? Yes, Sanko first and Ipaneba or Monto.
I gave them more than $2 million. And Nessas cannot convert into cities, say 12 of Gra. That would be 24 million Ghana cities, 240 billion. Obia Bukasi and film watching. It would be a year or year. And then I see a sample country said to about the interior. Woman, police, immigration, be near the apostrophe. If you are near the defense, one nation soldier for the be near the apostrophe. Near the lands and natural resources near the apostrophe. Near the youth and sports near the apostrophe. Near the National Petroleum Authority, near the apostrophe, near the Ministry of Finance, near the apostrophe, near the Ministry of Papa Nina, the apostrophe.
Let me feel and it's I slept for Kusasi ne Mamprusi na de no mentiase. Ebi mo so be ka kire wo say Kusasi for over 1.2 million. Na so mo ne Mamprusi for ko na mo so wo mo ntoa. We be starting elections now wo kono. Who nipa 1.2 or more to Maudada. And Sana was starting. And the delegates, as you shall sign your many Kennedy, baby of Frino, ye new group, Wamaya Martin song will be cool. This is not the time, if you say, oh, me pending cement to her, wait, Daddy, Monjane, who rapping to go, sorry, be. That's what Catcher will say, Mokofa candidate, Biba, Yanto. Nasa wunim se womo se womo ntoa adan na wo force obi anya bosom wo yeso power de epe no yenya power nipa na obenya ne de wo ne wa sorry for di nkomo ne ma sorry for di nkomo obi se madam Musa did the same candidate but 10 times yento eni kwan se yesuro to de bia ne yesuro we can confront the issues edian na nkrofo ka wa bonten ye pedia NDC suro no NDC insuro nipa na yempe me ma sorry for say wo monto
video no right. And you heard what this woman said or say sorry for being so catch when they say somebody Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ba they are not going to vote for a Muslim because Ghana is a Christian nation. You see, you people always want to cause a conflict between the people of the Republic of Ghana. We live as peace country, we live together as one. So ni campaign message keep quiet na munja ijimi na mujimi no na Naa Torshie you say why you be a yanka so why you be atwaso nipa na odi n'echi no onam a oka niam oba obeye factories obesi emu angwa ni bayire ni boode banchi obeye can be esa se me mama ya chimi ni papa ya santini na so me nto aba mark honorable Kennedy akompre ko Japan da yes me penase mo be penase mpa but he's not fit to be a leader. He's not fit to be a president. He doesn't qualify to be a president of a country like Ghana. He doesn't have the ideas to rule and manage a country. We are voting based on your competence, not based on baby Aufri. We are talking about based on what you can do, your message, your policy. And only yesterday it is not about the tribe you are coming from or the religion, because in Ghana we believe in Ghana first before any religion or any tribe. So it doesn't care about where you are coming from. It is your message, your policy, your ideas. That is what we care about, because I know that we transform the country Ghana. So that is what we care about. We don't care about where you are coming from. It is not really important to us. The sensible Ghanaians, we always want to understand. Say to abanema wa then na obeya ma money tumpon in shebe na wo de buying amana bu oman no. Those are the things yeshe. Those are the things yeshe. It is not about where you are coming from, your tribe, your religion, and where you went to school, the school you went to. Your ideas, how diplomatic you are, ukosia abuafuna, how you can talk to them, the conversation, how you can get the people to come and invest in the country, the ideas, the policy you are putting on the table to help improve the country. I don't know. So this is your campaign of way for the young woman and I mean a say na papa ye dena or your tribe way now your Christo new your kepeni or your one wine kusasi mamprusi achima sante fantino. That one we know the word that one they do when a campaign. You should understand. Yen share and no yen the citizens of the Republic of Ghana. Yen trust any man. Your probia or you competent enough. And that person is Dr. Bawumia. So Naa Torshie, I want to let you understand, you and your Kennedy people, you people are getting out of hands. And I will say I catch them because the more is becoming too much. And we are not going to tolerate it this time around. Into yes, only campaign message be just keep quiet. It's very simple. It's simple as ABCD. Only campaign message be just keep quiet, so that you bet me attitude on my knee. I'm on my neck. Hi Ghana St0p. I'm just on the progress. My means watching your comment section. So when you follow me on Facebook, I promise the blogger, TikTok, and